In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly edit videos using Canva. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, this guide will walk you through the process of cutting, trimming, and even removing parts of a video with ease. So, let's dive right in. First up, head over to the Canva website and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll want to open up a new video canvas. Canva offers a brilliant platform where you can creatively express your ideas, and using video is no exception. Next, you'll notice a menu on the left side of your screen. Go ahead and click on Upload to start bringing in your personal content. This is where you can upload photos, videos, and other files that you wish to use for your project. Simply drag and drop your files or select them from your device. Once your files are uploaded, navigate to the Videos tab. Here, you can view and manage all your video files in one convenient space. From this point, you'll want to upload a video that you'd like to edit. Once uploaded, drag it onto the video canvas, positioning it where you'd like to start editing. Now, let's move on to some editing techniques. If you wish to cut or trim a video clip, the process is straightforward. On the timeline, you'll see handles at both ends of your video clip. By dragging these handles left or right, you can easily adjust the start and end points of your video to your preferred duration. It's a simple but effective way to customize your video content. In some circumstances, you might want to cut out a specific portion from the middle of the video. To do this, click directly on the timeline at the point you wish to begin the cut. Then, right-click your mouse. A menu will appear, and you'll want to select Split Page. This action will split your video at the selected point. Continue by marking another point on your timeline, and, once again, right-click to split. This way, the portion of the video you want to remove will be isolated, making it easy to delete. If your aim is to delete a particular section, once you have isolated the section through splitting, simply right-click on it and select Delete Page. This action will remove that unwanted part of the video, leaving you with a seamless remaining timeline. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to cut, trim, and delete portions of videos using Canva. These simple steps can drastically improve your workflow and help you create dynamic and engaging video content. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you now feel more confident in your video editing capabilities with Canva. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!